Hello and welcome to Flipkart. I am Vishwa and today we are going to explore the Samsung RR22N383ZR2 215-litre 3-star refrigerator. This is a fully loaded refrigerator with some brilliant features. So let's explore them one by one. This Samsung refrigerator comes with an advanced and durable digital inverter compressor that not only delivers energy saving but can also be connected to the inverter at home during power cuts. It always stays active, automatically adjusting its speed in response to cooling demand. The digital inverter compressor optimizes usage by minimizing wear and tear and extends the life of the refrigerator by more than 10 years. This refrigerator also produces significantly lesser noise than conventional refrigerators. It consumes less power and delivers energy savings up to 6,900 rupees. Let's check it out. With this fridge, storage becomes easier. It comes with two multi-utility Fresh Max door bins. They provide ample space for fruits, vegetables, large-size bottles and beverages. A special divider to attach plastic bags and separate bottles ensures you always have plenty of fresh food and chilled drinks. It also has a large capacity vegetable box that conveniently stores all your fruits and vegetables in one place, making finding things for everyday use an easy task. This fridge also comes with extra tough glass shelves that store large vegetables or even heavy pots with ease. Its capacity to hold up to 150 kg safely ensures all your dishes remain fresh without any compromise. It has a convenient base stand drawer with large space for food items that do not need cooling. So with this fridge, you now have space to store your onions, potatoes at room temperature in your fridge without occupying any extra space in your kitchen. This fridge also comes with an antibacterial gasket that keeps your fridge door lining clean and hygienic. It prevents the development of fungi or bacteria inside your refrigerator, thereby preserving the freshness of your food. This Samsung refrigerator is also equipped with a smooth safety cover that can be comfortably cleaned to promote hygiene. It is a neat cover protecting the internal vital components of your refrigerator from accidental bumps and knocks, providing added durability. Now talking about the looks. It is sleek, elegant, with soft curves, round top shape and clean lines. It has a distinctive crown design without any extra doors and a stunning exterior which is available in various colors to complement your kitchen and decor. Also friends, this fridge is fully capable of functioning independently in high voltage fluctuations, eliminating the need of a separate stabilizer. Samsung has also got you covered for any future mishaps. This fridge comes with a 10-year warranty that gives you true peace of mind during the course of its run. And now for the final verdict. With its superior design elements like the bar chrome handle, clean back, crown door and innovative technical features like the home inverter and the solar energy integration, its stabilizer-free operation, I think Samsung RR22N383ZR2 is all set to become an ideal addition to your home. Its advanced and user-friendly features makes cooling and keeping your stuff fresh a cakewalk. And buying this on Flipkart is a deal you cannot afford to miss, because on Flipkart you get quick delivery, hassle-free installation, detailed demo and an assured brand warranty. So what are you waiting for? Come join the Flipkart family. That's all from me. Have a perfect buy.